Hey everyone, so today I am going to be doing a review slash demo of the new Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection. First, I am going to start with my eye makeup. The first thing that I would like to do is use this rose primer serum. It does smell like roses. I can't believe I just did that Instagram thing that all the beauty bloggers do. I have normal to dry skin, so primer serum I think is pretty cool. The nice thing is it's really cold out and I just got this packaging, so it is cold. Next, I'm going to put on the lip balm. So this is the packaging. So I went and I did my brows, which I will have a tutorial on how I do my brows up sometime. Next, we're going to go to the eyes. And for the eyes, I'm going to use all three of the palettes to create a look. So first, I'm going to go into this shade, a taupey color, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. This is the lightest color. Go in with just this fluffy brush and try to blend out the edges. I went a little crazy. The maroon shade in the palette, and I'm putting that on my outer corner of my lid and blending into the crease. People were saying that the shadows, specifically the mattes, were not pigmented, so I am very curious to see how this look turns out. I find Wet n Wild palettes are hit or miss for me. This is the finished makeup look. So now let's get into the lip products. The collection also came with an eyeshadow brush and a face brush, and I'm so sorry I totally forgot to use these, so I'll have to use them in a different video. As for the lipsticks, there are 4 different shades. 2 are their high shine lipstick and 2 are matte. I want to try out one of the high shine. This is the shade Bud Romance. I don't like these. Yeah. No. High shine lipsticks are a big no from me. Nope, I do not like that formula at all. That is what we call a big no. I mean, that entire time. This is such a beautiful, very, very, very dark blackened purple color. I am absolutely in love. It makes my teeth look a little yellow, I would say, but overall this is such a pretty color. This is beautiful. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my video on the new Wet n Wild Rebel Roses collection. I like most of the products that I tried overall. The only thing that I do not like are the high shine liquid lipsticks. Those just, I don't know, they just are kind of like goopy and aren't really my sort of thing. But I absolutely love the matte liquid lipstick in Deviant Damsel, and I cannot wait to use every other thing. I didn't get around to using the blush because honestly I'm probably going to put this in my next giveaway because I'm not into cream products. But again, thank you guys so much for watching.